Every household has its own favorite version of rasam, and this one is mine. Today's recipe on Goodness in a Bowl is a soothing, nourishing Amla Rasam. We'll begin with 3 to 4 amlas chopped and 1 medium tomato, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, half an inch of ginger and 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped. Grind this all into a coarse paste, and this becomes your flavor base for the recipe. Now for cooking, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee, add in 5 to 6 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 green chillies, slit, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, and now saute this for a minute or 2. Now add in the prepared amla paste and mix it well. Next, add in 1 cup of cooked moong dal. This adds body and nutrition to the rasam. And mix it well. Next, we'll add in small lemon-sized piece of jaggery, just enough to balance the tang from the amla. And then 2.5 cups of water, half a teaspoon of salt, and if you like, add 2 more pieces of amla for an extra flavor boost. Here you can also add half tablespoon of rasam powder at this stage if you prefer. Let's give this all a good stir. And now let this simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't need to boil it too hard, just let the flavors come together. Now let's finish off this rasam with a final touch, that's the tempering. Heat about 1 tablespoon of ghee, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and once they splutter, we'll add in a pinch of asafoetida. Add in few curry leaves and 2 dry red chilies. Now let's pour this hot fragrant tempering straight into the rasam. Give this all a good stir, and that's it. Your beautiful warm amla rasam is ready to serve. Serve this warm with steamed rice or just sip it hot after your meal. But don't forget to add a little dollop of ghee before serving. It takes it to another level. Now this is what I call comforting, healing, packed with vitamin C and simply delicious. Let me know in the comments how you make your rasam, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food for more goodness in a bowl.